IELTS Reading Tips and Tricks, the complete Band 8 Plus system, stuck at Band 6 in IELTS Reading. Even though you understand English, the problem may not be your English, it may be the way you're taking the test. In this lesson, I'm going to show you a complete Band 8 Plus reading system, including how to manage your time and find answers faster. We'll cover how to handle difficult question types and stop losing marks to avoidable mistakes. This is the ultimate guide to scoring higher. And don't worry, this isn't a list of 20 random IELTS tips. I'm going to give you a simple system you can actually use. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do before, during, and after each passage. Let's start with the biggest mistake students make. Many IELTS students read the entire passage from beginning to end, carefully understanding every sentence. That sounds like good practice. But during the IELTS reading test, it can become a serious time problem. You have 60 minutes to answer 40 questions. Your goal isn't to memorize the passage. Your goal is to locate the information you need and answer accurately. Step 2, build a map. Before you start hunting for answers, quickly build a map of the passage. Look at the title first, then quickly look through the paragraphs. Identify what each paragraph is generally about. You don't need to understand every detail. You just need to know where different ideas are located. Think of the passage like a city. You don't need to memorize every street. You just need a map. This saves you valuable time when the pressure is on. Now let's talk about the keyword trap. Keywords are not enough. Many students find a word in the question and search for exactly the same word in the passage. But IELTS loves paraphrasing. The question might say expensive, but the passage says cost was considerably higher than expected. The words are different, but the meaning is the same. So don't search only for identical words. Search for meaning. Now let's talk about one of the biggest IELTS reading score killers, matching headings. Students often rush and choose immediately. Don't do that. A heading usually describes the main idea of the entire paragraph, not just the first sentence. Here's a better way. Read the paragraph and ask, if I had to describe this in 4 words, what would I say? Create your own mini summary first. Step 5. True, false, not given. This is a simple rule. True means it agrees. False means it contradicts. Not given means no information. And here's the trap. Not given does not mean I couldn't find it. It means the information simply isn't there to decide. You need to search carefully. If the passage clearly contradicts, it's false. If it supports, it's true. Otherwise, it's not given. Now, let's talk about timing. You have 60 minutes for 40 questions. Don't treat every question as equally difficult. If one question is taking too long, mark it, move on, and return later. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes per passage. Don't allow one difficult question to steal time from 5 questions you could answer easily. Keep the momentum going. Let's test your strategy. Imagine the question says, the researchers abandoned the original experiment because it was too expensive. You scan and find, the researchers decided to discontinue the experiment after funding was reduced. Is it true, false, or not given? Pause the video and decide. The answer is not given. We know it was discontinued and funding was reduced, but not that it was abandoned because of the cost. Before your next test, remember these 5 rules. 1. Don't read like a novel. 2. Build a quick map first. 3. Look for synonyms and paraphrases. 4. For matching headings, focus on the main idea. 5. Manage your time. If you're serious about reaching Band 8+, don't stop here. We're building a complete series covering every part of the test. Subscribe and join us for the next lesson. Your goal isn't to read faster, your goal is to answer smarter.